Hi, my name is B. Manan Kumar Reddy. My register number is UR156256. Today I am going to explain about the implementation of merge sort and quick sort in data structures lab program. First of all, I am doing a merge sort. In merge sort, I am including a header file called iostream and using the namespace as standard header file, and I am using the void function or the merge one int pointer and int. I am declaring the function and the function to split the array into smaller parts, and in that the void function, that is void merge sort, int addressing the pointer that is address of the variable, int low, int high. I am declaring the variables int mid and if. I am using the if statement low less than high and calculating the merge sort. Mid is equals to low plus high by 2, and mid and the functions that are for merge sort, that merge sort a comma low comma mid, and merge sort a comma mid plus 1 comma high, and merge 1 a comma low comma high comma mid. This is the functions, and the function to sort the elements and join the smaller sorted parts. The next one is void, the another function is void merge one int pointer a, int low, int high, int mid, and int I. And declaring the variables and storing the array size, and int I comma j comma k c of 10, and declaring the variables for I is equals to low, k is equals to low, j is equals to mid plus 1, and using the while loop I less than mid, ambient j less than high, and using the if statement a of I less than a of j, and I'm equaling the and copying the sorting elements c of k is equals to a of I, and incrementing k and I, and if it not using the else statement, else statement c of k is equals to a of j, k is incremented and j is incremented. This is for I function, and another while loop for mid I less than mid, c of k is equals to a of I, k is incremented and I is incremented, and another while loop for high j less than high, c of k is equals to a of j, and k is incremented and j is incremented, and another iteration, that is for loop I is equals to low, I less than k, and I is incremented. A of I is equals to c of I. Here the total elements are copied to another array, and in the main function I am going to the main function declaring the variables int a of 10 comma I, and for input I am cout enter the elements one by one. For printing the statement enter the elements, we are using a cout statement, and for loop, that is the iteration I is equals to 0, I less than 5, and I is incremented, and for accepting the values from the user I am using statement a of I, and for sorting merge sort a comma 0 comma 4, and for getting the output we are using this printing statement, that is here the sorted array is, and using the for loop for incrementing I, and share statement for getting the output a of I, and returning the 0. Now I am going to I'm entering the values. This is my merge sort. We are moving to the quick sort. In quick sort, first of all I'm including the as include iostream, that is header file, and using the namespace as standard header file, and initializing the values globally, that is int a of I, and int partition, that is the functions declaring the variables, and in partition 1 int 1 and int are functions to be sorted the array. Void quicksort int left, that is creating a function called quicksort, and if for right and left we are using the if statement, that is if right is greater than the left, then we are moving to this function p is equals to partition 1 left comma right plus 1 for sorting, and quicksort left comma p minus 1. Quicksort is used for p plus 1, that is right for right, and the function to choose the pivot variable value and to sort the array. In party this is another function, that is in partition 1 int 1 and int r, and we are initializing the variables and creating a do while loop. In do while loop I am incrementing I by 1, and while the elements inside the array is less than the pivot, then using the do loop the decrementing j, and while loop, that is for if statement I is less than j, then moving to the calling function, that is temp is equals to a of I, and a of I is equals to a of j, and a of j is equals to temp. And using the while loop, if I is I less than j, then temp is equals to a of 1, and a of 1 is equals to a of j, then a of j is equals to temp, and returning the j. After that we are moving to the main function. Main function for input we are using save statement. For printing the statement, enter the number of numbers one by one, and using the for loop statement, int x is equals to 0, x less than 5, and x is incremented. Using for loop to access the input from the user, scene statement is used. For sorting, quicksort 0, 4. For getting the output, we are using cout statement for printing the sorted elements, and using the for loop statement to print the elements in the array. For printing the output, printer statement cout a of x. Now we are going to see the output. We are entering the values now. Here the values are sorted.